Welcome to Shaw Forest Park in Swindon in Wiltshire. It's a little haven in the middle of a really built-up town with woodlands and meadows. It's full of wildlife and it's a really biodiverse place. However, this wasn't always here. Surprisingly, this forest park is actually the site of the former Old Shaw Farm Landfill site. And you can see remnants of the landfill site, like these vents here. These vents are needed so gases don't build up in the ground, heat up and cause an explosion. The landfill site closed in the early 2000s and it was planted, this forest, in 2004. What they wanted to do before they decided about the forest is they actually considered building a stadium and a leisure park here, but protesters decided that that was actually too much and they just wanted a forest park. This area is a really pleasant place to be because you can hear the birds and you can see the insects, and there's a large amount of plants here as well. They have a mix of evergreens and deciduous trees, and they have lots of bushes as well. They've also been very smart with integrating fruiting plants. The forest park is 99 acres and it includes a wide range of habitat, including wetlands like this. It's incredible how they've managed to fit so much into just 99 acres. And there's a large amount of habitat for a lot of creatures here. And the community is passionate about keeping this going. You can see loads of new trees and shrubs planted, and it's not just here. There's a huge field of them over there as well, and they're all doing very nicely. They were planted last year. I've really enjoyed my time here. Who would have ever thought this was a landfill site? And the community is enjoying it as well, right on their doorsteps. And this is a lovely little segment of nature in this otherwise really populated area. Come here, maybe you'll enjoy it too.